In this chapter, we discuss about if condition, how we can utilize if and else to the with the real time example we discuss. Okay, let's we have a map. So we are new to the city. So we want to go to a market, but we don't know the route. So we have a small map on our mobile. So using that map, some details, we go to the market to buy different items. Okay. First, think that we are at the point number one. From there, we have a map, goes right. When you reach at point number two, at the point number two, if you want to buy vegetables, yes, then take right, else goes right. Here, if you want to buy fruits, then again same thing, goes right, else other route. Here, then if you want to buy clothes, this is the else route, this is the S. So from 1 to 2, then you reach at the point number 3, then you reach at the point number 4. At 5, so you buy clothes. So at each point you buy whatever you want. So there's a condition you check at each point. So point number 2, you check the condition. So if veg, yes, then you go to the point number 3, buy vegetables. Then you look for the next map. If fruits, then you go straight. Otherwise, you have to take left there. Then go to the point number 4. Buy fruits. Then go to the point number 4. Then you for the class you check again. If yes, then take one route. Else, take other route. So this is the real-time example. So in each places we check the map for our condition. If condition matches with our cases, then we take one route, else we take other route. This is the real-time example. Okay, so let's take this is how we implement on the computer using the if condition. Okay, something like this. If condition, so then the block number 1, else or no, this is a condition. So this if matches, so from here you go, if yes, if matches, then you go to the block number 1, no, you go to the block number 2. From S also, after completing block number 1, you go back and execute block number 2. So this is how this if, just one if will work like this. You first you go to the, this is the first step, if S, then you go to 2. Okay, if condition false, then you go directly to the block number 2. So that is how this works. And for the condition, you can use different operators like x can be integer, and y can be also integer, or any other variable you can take based on your requirement. If x is, say for example, you want to check x for the x, you want to compare x with y. It can be less than, or it can be greater than, or it can be for equality. You can check whatever you want based on the requirement. You can check with two operands with different operators. It can be greater than, less than, equals operator. If this condition returns, if both x is less than y, or x is greater than y, or x is equal to y, any one condition, if based on the return value of this condition, it can be 1, either 1 or 0. If it matches, the condition becomes true, then it returns 1, else it returns 0. When returns 1, it goes to the block number 1. Then once it executes block number 1, then continues to block number 2. If it don't match, then it go directly to block number 2. Yeah. So this is a one case where we can implement our if condition. So now we can have one more type. Okay, this is the example where you can have integer a. You can check with a with the number. If it matches with number less than equal to 10, if it matches, then it executes the printf, or else it directly goes to return 0. If it matches, then it executes printf and return 0. If it won't match, then it directly goes to return without executing the printf. Okay, this is the one more case where we can use if condition with else combination. Let's see how it works. If condition, this is for the true block. Here we can have any block of statements that required as per the requirement. We add statements here, true block. Then we have a else block here. This is the false block. Okay, if it matches, if condition is true, then that means 1, then true block will be executed. If conditions 0, then false block will be executed. Then it continues to, from this point it continues. So if it is 1, it executes 1, then it continues here, or else if directly it comes to 0, if it is 0, it comes directly. If it falls, from here it continues again to. So this you can say point number 1, this is a point number 2, this is point number 3. If it is true, then it executes point number 1, then goes to point number 3 directly. If it is false, then point number 2, then goes to the point number 3. Yeah, that is how it works. So this is one of the example how we can implement if and else. Okay, this is the example where you can take two integer a as 10, b as 20, and compare a and b. If a less than b, if condition false, condition becomes true, then first block printf a is less than b will be executed. If it is else, then the a is greater than b will be executed. Then it goes to return 0. Yeah. This is one more variation of if condition where you can compare a and b. If there is a condition, this condition can be anything. As already we discussed, this can be like a is less than b, or a is greater than b, or a equals to b. I think this is the if condition. This is the block number 1. Else if, so this is condition 1, or you can say condition 2. Here condition 1, this is block number 2, then else, no conditions here. So if the condition 1 is true, then block 1 will be executed. Then it goes to this is 3, and this is the 4, condition 4. This is at the point number 4. If condition 1 is true, then 1 will be executed. Once from 1, it directly jumps to the point number 4. Okay. If condition 1 is false, then it will check for the condition 2. If condition 2 is true, then it executes condition number 2. From here, it directly jumps to the point number 4. Same for if both condition 1 and condition 2 are false, then it goes to execute condition else, condition number 3. From once it completes condition number 3, the statement 3, it directly jumps to the 4. And you can have any number of else if between if and else, any number of else if. In this case, I am using only one else if condition. You can have multiple else if condition with the different conditions and write else if combinations. Many else if combination can be added if you want. Based on requirement, you can write conditions. So these are the computer if else conditions. That is how you can use to change the controller path. You can change using if and else conditions. Thank you.